to the Halloween party. Ah. It's a full moon night. That means Happy Halloween, friends! So it's 31st October today, Halloween night. Ooh! So guys, this time we are going to do something really amazing. You know now, Halloween is not always about scary things. It's also about cute things. Like how I'm going to show you today. It's gonna be really fun. And this time we are going to do one of the cute things. That is a social butterfly. And this is like a last minute costume that you can do like so easily. So before we start, subscribe, like, share and ring the bell notifications in all mode. And of course, like my page on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. Halloween, the most exciting festival. So the things we need is a tutu skirt, a fairy kit, some social media icons such as Instagram, YouTube. These are my favorites such as YouTube. So first take your tutu skirt and grab the stapler. Next, we'll start with YouTube. So we put the YouTube and let's staple it here. Use parent supervision. There. So I staple YouTube. Now let's put Instagram. Follow me on Instagram also. So we put it over here. Perfect. See, Instagram icon is also done. Now we do Facebook. Follow me on Facebook and like my page, Sanjana.speaks. Facebook is also done. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Now we do Snapchat, another favorite social media platform. Let's put it here. So we stick it. There, we stapled Snapchat now. Now we staple WhatsApp, my most favorite application after YouTube. So we put it here. There, we put WhatsApp. Now, Twitter, over here. So now I have stapled all the posters. So now my social butterflies super skirt is ready. Isn't it super easy, friends? The skirt looks amazing, right? So now we just wear a beautiful t-shirt like this and wear the fairy wings and wand and hairband, and our social fairy or butterfly is ready. Let's see it. Don't I look wonderful? Doesn't my social butterfly need to go for Halloween trick-or-treat? Well, then I'm ready to go. Are you? Try this social butterfly costume with super fun activities of Halloween. Abracadabra social butterfly! Look, there are hats going there. And there too! Hope you had fun. Enjoy Halloween! Halloween is not always about all these scary things. It can be cute things also. So today I'm going to be you guessed it, social butterfly. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. See, there are so many social media icons on my Julie skirt. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye! Signs out, your friend Sanjana speaks. Oh, no, social butterfly.